Oh, off the cliff. All right, Cold Springs Trail. This should be interesting. It's too hot to wear a helmet or a shirt, so we're riding dirty. Bad spot to wheelie. Oh, this is intense, guys. What we're riding on here is really steep, really loose, really skinny, cliff side, single track, poison oak everywhere, no helmet, no pants, no shirt. Don't recommend this to anyone. Just trying to have a little Labor Day fun and hopefully not regret it. Dropping down again. Woo. Super technical. I got sheer cliff down there. Tiny little trail ahead of me. Tiny. And yeah. I'm hoping I can get back out of here. Can't really turn around right there, so we got to keep going. Supposedly there's a campground down here. Oh, see, even holy shit, that is a cliff down there. I'm just glad I got these bark busters on here. Because without them, my hands would feel about like my legs feel right now. Look out, little guy. Well, here's a spot where I can turn around at least. Yeah, and maybe that's exactly what we're gonna do. Because, yep, that just weaves back down and around. I am far. I am 1.5 miles down the trail. But I've probably dropped, I don't know, 600 feet in elevation or something like that, I would guess. Absolutely beautiful down here. But yeah, I need to turn this old girl around. Sun is getting close to that mountaintop right there. I don't want to try to make it back up this in the dark. This is pretty darn sketchy. All right, well, yeah, we're pushing forward, I guess. There is a little tiny peak right top in between these two right here. That's where we started. So give you an idea where we're at. And we roll it. Oh, shit. I'm gonna slide off the cliff. Oh man, that stings. That's poison out. Crazy. Carry on. Oh yeah. Holy shit, I almost went down. That is like a 60-foot cliff. Oh, heart is pounding right now after that. That was so close. Bounced off a rock the wrong way. Oh well, that's the end of the trail. How are we gonna get this out of here? All right, well, that is as far as the Sur Ron goes. Yeah. All right, guys, we're heading back up. Wish me luck. 96% on the battery. We got 1.9 miles. Would have made it the rest of the way down. We hiked the rest of the way down. It was super close, but that oak tree, there's just no way to get around it. But yeah, we're heading back up to make some dinner. Here we go. Oh, off the cliff. Seriously? Halfway. Oh, fuck. Oh, that is so sketchy. Whew. I'm good. Yeah, it's just loose, man. You even get close to the edge and you just slide right off. That was a close call. Holy shit. Yeah, this is tough. I got this. Ugh. Well, went down a little bit right there. It wouldn't go, but now it's going again. So slippery. Whew. All right, guys. See if I can get up this. This is freaking crazy. What was I thinking? Oh, I just swallowed a bug. I got nerves of steel, guys, but I'm a little shaky right now. And yeah, this blister on my thumb already popped open, and that's not feeling super good right now. Really dumb not to wear gloves. Really dumb not to wear a helmet or boots or a shirt as well. But yeah, we're getting getting pretty close. I just want to get this thing back to camp. Phew. If I remember correctly, this gets pretty freaking technical in through here too. Yeah, I don't know what happened, guys. I don't know if you could see what happened when I did that little spill, a little laid it down back there, but I had no power. I was able to turn the bike off and then back on, and was able to get power. The second time it happened, I had to, oh my God, that's so steep. I had to wiggle the kickstand cable, so maybe it had something to do with that. If you guys have any ideas, drop a comment, let me know. Oh my God, I'm scratched up everywhere. Whew, I can see level ground. That makes me smile. Wow. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get back up that. Some instances that was really fun, but also really scary and really stupid, and I'm really lucky. Holy to have made it down that. Oh my God, I'm not got my blessings yet, because I can still fall off this foot. Oh my God. All right, somewhat level ground. Oh, not yet. Oh, I can see camp. Yes. Woo. Oh, that was so sketchy. Well, guys, we made it. And yeah, not too beat up. I think my foot's all right. 85% battery on the bike. Gonna chill, make some dinner. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know next time I put out a video, and stay tuned because there's lots more. A little behind on the footage right now, so bear with me, but gonna keep cranking it out for you guys. Just signed up for Patreon by request, so down in the description of the video there is my Patreon link. If you sign up for the Patreon, you'll get exclusive content, chats with me, able to see my live streams, all that good stuff depending on what tier you want to sign up for. So please guys, if you like the channel, considering supporting it, use that Patreon. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.